3, 2, 1, action. Yo hey guys, what's up? This is Yadhuvir and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to give the hand of God to a woman wherever you are, but it's most effective inside nightclubs, and to be more precise, it's most effective on the dance floor. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is hand of God. Hand of God is when you give your hand to a woman and just spin her around. Most of the guys feel very much afraid to do this. I don't know why, but they do. I don't think they're actually afraid of giving hand of God. What they're actually afraid of, she's saying no to them. Because most of the guys don't feel rejection as rejection, they feel rejection as an existential rejection. Okay bro, this girl has rejected my existence. I'm like a leaf in the wind. I don't matter. I don't mean anything to anyone. That's how they feel after a rejection. That's not how it has to be. But anyways, coming back to the topic, I'm going to show you guys how to actually do the hand of God and the common mistakes that guys make while they are doing the hand of God. And I'm also telling you, whatever I'm going to tell you is the boot camp content. People pay for it. So I just thought like, okay, let's share some value out there for free. So let's see how it goes and if you actually like it. If you like it, do share this video.
What the fuck?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you how it is actually done. So imagine she's a woman dancing inside a nightclub. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mistake while I'm going to give her the hand of God. Let's just see how it is happening. So you're a woman inside a nightclub and you're enjoying the music, and suddenly I come out of nowhere and I just give you my hand. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. So now I'm going to fuck it up. Let's just see if she notices where I'm actually fucking it up. What do you think was wrong?
What was that? It was like a zombie coming closer to me.
Okay, now let's see how it is actually done. You look like Cersei from Game of Thrones.
Okay.
I'm Jamie Lannister.
Miss you are my brother?
Yeah. You want to do kinky stuff? Again. Have you ever been this close to your brother? So, what you guys just observed is how it is actually done once you are on the dance floor. So, what I want you to notice is this. Whenever I'm giving her the hand of God, I'm not looking at my hand, I'm looking into her eyes. So, I give her the hand of God, she puts her hand over here. Then I don't just force her to turn this side. I just direct her hand to go up and she knows that she has to spin. And now, what I can do is I can just do this. Or, again, give me your hand. You turn around, or I can hold this hand, I can hold her wrist very lightly, put it over here, and then I'm holding her back. Here I can just lift and just spin over here like this. So this is how hand of God is actually done once you're inside the club. And let's say that this time I'm going to give her the hand of God and she doesn't even acknowledge me. It's like she didn't even notice me. What am I going to do if a woman rejects my hand of God? Let's see. So the thing is that a newbie is always going to see this whole situation as I fucked it up, I fucked it up, I fucked it up. An advanced guy is going to see the situation as how can I make it more fun for me? She rejected the hand of God, he gave himself the hand of God and started doing the he just started having fun, and that actually made her laugh. So you see, the guy didn't go in the reactive frame, he stayed in the process. What's the process? What's the process, Yadhuvir? Bali Immersion is happening, boot camps are happening in the month of May. If you want to know the process, I would highly recommend to join these programs because the actual value you're not getting from this video even. The actual value you're going to get it from the programs where you're going to spend the actual time with me. So if you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment what you actually learned, if you face any problems or if you have felt that a woman has rejected me, my hand of God, my handshake, ever, and how did it make you feel. And as always, until next time.
Bye bye.